The opening principles in chess provide a framework for developing pieces efficiently and controlling the center of the board. Here's a summary of these principles. 1. Control the center. The center four squares, d4, d5, e4, e5, are crucial. Occupying or exerting influence over these squares allows for better mobility and flexibility for your pieces. 2. Develop pieces. Bring out your knights and bishops early in the game to active squares where they can influence the board. Knights usually develop to c3/c6 and f3/f6, while bishops often go to c4/c5 and f4/f5. 3. Castle early. Castling serves two main purposes. It moves your king to safety and connects your rooks, enabling them to contribute to the game. 4. Avoid too many pawn moves. While pawns are essential for controlling space, excessive pawn moves can lead to weaknesses and hinder piece development. 5. Connect rooks. This is achieved by castling, which improves your rook's coordination and prepares them for potential open files. 6. Develop with a purpose. Each move should ideally serve multiple functions, developing a piece while maintaining or gaining control of key squares. 7. Maintain flexibility. Avoid committing too early to a rigid plan. Remain adaptable to your opponent's moves and changing dynamics of the position. By following these principles, players can establish a solid foundation in the opening phase of the game, setting themselves up for a successful middle game and end game.